welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I Tapas sir. Today I am going to teach you grammar way for standard 2 students, which is lesson number 10. This lesson is in your half yearly exam course, and this is the last lesson for your half yearly exam, lesson number 10. So let's see what is there in this lesson. But children, you should now serious about your studies, because half yearly exam is not far away. Just I think 3 to 4 weeks. Within 3 to 4 weeks we will have our half yearly exam. So this is lesson number 10. Today I am going to teach you for standard 2 students. Let's see the lesson. Lesson is am, are plus verb plus ing. So how to use this helping verb is, am, are along with the main verb. This is about the lesson. So today I will teach you this lesson. This is very important lesson for your exam, because without using helping verb along with the main verb you cannot write a correct sentence. So how to use and where to use is, am and are we will see in this lesson. So we sometimes use is, am and are with doing what in the ing form to show that the action are happening at the time of speaking. Means when we use is, am and are along with the verb in ing form, that time it shows that the sentence is going on now. Means it is present continuous tense. It is present continuous tense. So there present continuous tense means when the work is going on, it is not over. That time we use ing with the verb along with is, am, are. Now let's see where to use is. Is ing is used when the subject of the sentence is singular, like he, she, it, Anita or child, etc. Here when we see that the subject is singular, like if it is pronoun he, she, it, if it is noun Anita or child, this type of noun which is singular in nature, we generally use is along with them, so that because we know is used where the subject is singular. So first example I will tell you here, children. He is playing with his brother. Second one is she is dancing in the stage. Third one is the child is crying loudly. Here you can see he, she and the child are all singular in nature. They are all singular in nature. He, she singular pronoun, child singular noun. So on all these three cases we see is added with the verb play and ing is added to it. So is playing, is dancing, is crying. So these three verbs along with the helping verb is and verb in the ing form shows that the work is going on now, at present it is continuing, it is not over yet. So this type of sentence where verb is in process of the work is going on, In that case we have to use is if the subject is singular and ing to the verb. Are ing is used when the subject is in plural form, like they are going to the park, we are swimming in the pond, the children are eating their breakfast. So here are is used when the subject is plural. Are is used when the subject is plural. In that case we will see which are the subject that are said to be plural. The subject which are plurals are they, we, you. These are plural pronouns. They, we, you are all plural pronouns. Here they, we and children are in plural form. They, we are plural pronouns and children is a plural noun. In these three cases we will see that how are is used, because I told you when the subject is plural, there we have to use are. As usual, verb will have ing because the work is in process, the work is going on, the work is not over yet. They are going to the park. You see, they is their plural pronoun, so are is added to it, and verb go is having ing, going. In second case also, we are swimming in the pond. We is plural, that's why we have added are, and swim, swim, having ing form, swimm, ing, swimming. Third one, the child is plural, so are is added to it, and verb is eat is having ing, eat, eat, ing, eating. So the sentence, the children are eating their breakfast. In these three sentences, they, we and children are plural. That's why we have to add are plus ing to the verb to make it as continuous tense. Then ing is used when the subject is I. Like, I am reading in DePaul school, I am talking to my friend, I am flying kite on the sea beach. So here I is the only pronoun where we can use am. Am cannot be used with any other noun or pronoun. Only we have to use am where there is the subject is I. You can see three sentences starting with I have am with it because am is only added to pronoun I, and verb as usual ing form, reading, talking, flying, because in these the three sentences shows that all the work is going on now. Means I am reading, now also I am reading in DePaul school. Now I am talking with my friend, at present I am talking with my friend. Now at present I am flying kite on the sea beach. Every work is done at present and it is in continuous form, so it is called present continuous, or the work is in progress now. So that's why we have to add am with subject I and verb ing form. I am reading, I am talking, I am flying. Every verb is having ing along with am because subject is I. Now exercise, sometimes use is, am and are with doing word. Circle the doing word in this in such sentences. Means here you have to see where it is correctly used doing word. I am talking, actually I am taking pictures of this beautiful garden. This sentence is correct because am is the helping verb, along with helping verb this taking pictures means taking photographs. Ing is added, so its sentence is correct. Jyoti and Jia are twins. Here no ing is added, so this is wrong sentence. We are practicing for the ritual now. actually reciprocal now to see. Uh, Here also we are. Are is there helping verb. Along with helping verb, practicing is there ing form. So this sentence is correct. Then the fourth one, the animals are thirsty. Here are is there but no ing with the verb. So it is wrong. Seema and her friends are playing outdoor. You can see are is there plus verb is having ing. So this sentence, Seema and her friends are playing outdoors, it is also correct. Now we will move on to bit number B. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are and the ing form of doing what in the bracket. Means verb is given in bracket, you have to add ing to it and the helping verb is, am or are where needed. The dogs, you can see the dogs is plural, so are barking loudly. Are is used when the subject is plural. Here dogs, the subject is plural, so are is added. But as I told you, the verb should be in ing form, so bark should be barking. The dogs are barking loudly. Question number 2. Dad is washing the car now. Dad is singular, so is and verb should be in ing form, washing. Dad is washing the car now. Third one, I am sitting on the bench. Am is added where the subject is I. Here I is there, so am is added. And sitting is the ing form of the verb sit. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. I am sitting on the bench. So now question number 4. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The ducks, here ducks are also in plural form. So where there is plural subject, I told you we have to use are to it and verb will be in the ing form. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The cat is chasing the mouse. Here the cat is singular, so is added to it. And chase, continuous tense is chasing, C-H-A-S, ing, chasing. So the sentence is the cat is chasing the mouse. It is all about bit number B, how to use is, am, are and ing to the verb. This lesson is over, children, now. So it is very important lesson for your coming exam, half yearly exam, first terminal exam. So see this video and whatever the exercise I have taught you in this video, please now practice at home because these are the lessons which are important and which are going to come in the exam. So every exercise is important for exam point of view. So unless you practice it, you will not have a better idea about the thing what is in there in that sentence. So till we meet again along with other such revision work, because now this course is over. Whatever now I will send you, it is all the revision questions. It is very important that you should read the revision questions and practice at home and try to do good exam, because after a long time we are giving one more exam now. So you have got enough time to prepare at home, and now also when we will give the revision question, it is very important that you should practice at home. Children, thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe. Respect your teachers, respect your parents, and obey your parents as well, because after all they are your parents. They will give you good advice in this hard time. So obey them. You will be healthy and you will progress in your life. Bye bye, children. Have a nice day.